just about to draw, but then my fucking package came in and I'm so excited. Oh my god. They're finally here. Legs. Look at that. They keep the SD card in there. Hi Bob. Okay, this one should be doing everything else besides having a hinge. So let's try that first. Hell yeah. Works perfectly fine. Oh, this one's fucked. Oh, the upper screen is also very broken. Bruh. This one's definitely been opened. I don't know if there's a battery in it. It doesn't turn on at all. Okay, I got my work one over here. I unscrewed this and there's also no battery. So okay, that's actually a good sign. It pops. Speaker flex definitely works. Pops as well. Okay. It actually turns on, but it doesn't do anything else yet. It's very broken, but it does work. It does work. Touchscreen doesn't work. Circle pad doesn't work. This doesn't work. Home button does work. However, now it doesn't. Weird. Oh, it's so gross. Does 3D work? Yes. Well, that actually turns on. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna put this bottom screen in the blue one to see if it turns on with a bottom screen in it. Alright. Oh my god. There's a fucking scratch through. Oof. Oh, they fucked it up real bad. Holy shit. Not sure if we can use this motherboard. There are missing screws everywhere. This one's really screwed up. Let's see if it turns on with a bottom screen. Okay, just noticed it ain't gonna be turned on today. Look, this is the bottom screen. This one has to go in here and this one has to go in here, but it's screwed up. So yeah, I don't know if we can still fix that. We'll just have to wait and see. But without these LEDs in there, it's not gonna turn on. So yeah, this one's not gonna turn on today. This is also missing, and the home button is also missing. And they lifted these up, so I don't know if these still work. Yeah, nothing much to say about that. I don't know if we can still use this. On the other hand, the one that does work, I disconnected the touchscreen and it seemed to work now. Besides the circle pad going down, that didn't respond, but I think that's just dirty. I mean, look at this. Jesus fucking Christ. The bottom screws broke because, yeah, they were just stuck. Look at that. That's totally stripped. Yeah, that wasn't. Couldn't save that anymore. So, allow me to demonstrate. There you go, it works, and these also work. And there you go. So the only thing wrong with that is this, and I think it just needs cleaning. Okay, quick update on the motherboard that was in the blue new 3DS XL, which is now in the black one. I tried fixing it like all afternoon. I've been like working it for like 4 hours, but after that I gave up because it wasn't. I couldn't save it anymore. Yeah, it was a lost cause. However, the battery came in for it, so we do have a battery now, as well as for the other one. And a new motherboard has also come in. Although, I bought a very cheap motherboard and I thought I saw something wrong with it, but I'm not entirely sure. So we're just gonna check that out. Okay, so if you're wondering what's happening with the motherboards, what is what? Basically, the blue one has the old motherboard of my 3DS XL Animal Crossing edition. This one has the blue broken motherboard, and the black motherboard that was still working is now in the Animal Crossing 3DS, and I sold that. And we'll have to replace this motherboard with the one that just came in, and I'm very, very concerned about it. Well, not concerned, I just hope it works. Okay, so with this one, obviously this is very broken. I tried fixing it, as you can see, but that didn't work. Now, here's our new motherboard, and what's wrong with this motherboard, you may ask? Well, this over here doesn't look perfect. There's some things missing. Yeah, there are definitely some things missing. But I think we'll be able to get those from this broken motherboard. Sucks a little bit, but I think we'll be able to make it work. Yeah, we're gonna need to get our soldering iron for that. Bruh, looking at it even further shows that there are even some more things missing. I'm gonna mark them down. I think there's even more missing. Right here. This is a very clumsy. What the fuck did they do with this? You can sell this for 20 euros. What the fuck? There are two more missing over here. There's more wrong with this. Okay. I'm afraid to turn this on. Okay. I'm gonna try to turn this on. I'm very, very scared. I really hope it is gonna work, but wouldn't be surprised if it wouldn't work. Thank fucking God. Okay, cool. Oh, thank you. Thank fucking God. Jesus. Okay. Okay. It works. Oh yeah, the touchscreen was still broken. Okay. I don't really care. It works for now. I can't test if all the other things work because the touchscreen is broken, but... Oh my God, it turns on. I'm so glad. I'm so fucking glad. Oh my God. What a fucking ride. Okay, how a home button works, that's the only thing we can really test. 3D works, I guess. Sound works. This I can test right now. This I can. The touchscreen doesn't work. This already sucks. We need the touchscreen to arrive. But yes. Yes, that's just all I can say. Yes. Fuck yeah. Okay. A lot of stuff has just arrived, but I gotta be very quiet because there are people already asleep. We've got the bottom piece of the 3DS. We've got both touchscreens, so we can fix those. And some micro SD cards, 4 of them to be exact. Got this D-pad and the upper screen, but the unfortunate thing with the upper screen is it came in a very, very beat up box, so I'm not sure if it still works. I mean, it looks alright, but at the same time, very, very beat up. So I'm just hoping it will still work. As for now though, we're not gonna focus on that yet, and we're gonna fix the black new 3DS for now. So since I've got to be quiet anyway, I'm just gonna put my phone to the side and speed up the whole process of me fixing it, basically. Okay, here we go. New touchscreen. It feels really weird. It's not an original, I'm pretty sure. Look, it's a little bubbly. You can see it moving around. It feels really, really soft, like some sort of plastic. It does definitely work though, so I'm okay with it. Let's see the back. The top we know about that, but this, oh damn, oh shit, that looks pretty nice actually. It might be a fake one, but it still looks pretty damn nice. That's just 3DS. I'll see you back when I'm fixing the other one. I hope the screen works. That's all I can say. Hey, Bo back again. I'm here to fix this blue one today, but I'm also gonna try to see if we can fix this game card slot by replacing it with this one, because the 3DS is showing some, well, weird things to say the least. This is the D-pad over here not responding correctly. I mean, it isn't this one, and it also isn't this one. I thought it was the C-stick at first, but it's not. The fucking D-pad. It's broken. It doesn't even respond. It only does this. So I'm gonna try to replace this one with this one and see what's wrong. And yeah, that's basically it. Let's get into it again. I'm fucking pissed because the fucking 3DS still isn't working. The other one is fucked up. I've tried to solve it again, like the whole fucking 4 hours or something. It still isn't working, so I'm pissed. And this doesn't want to open, so I'm just gonna use my fucking. Yes. That's better. Need my fucking ass. Why is this so fucking stuck in there? Like how? I've never had this before this badly. I did it. Finally did it. I finally did it. Had to jam the console against the wall with a screwdriver in it, but I did it. Okay. Let's see if this screen works. Of course they are both still fucked up. The screen didn't work. It didn't turn on with the screen, so that's fucked up. And this still does that. Sometimes it goes to the side. So yeah, now it goes to the side because why not? Funny, haha. Okay, we got stuff for the 3DSs, but also I got a new chair, so this one isn't cracking. Hell yeah. First thing we've got in here is fucking pens, stylus. You have styluses. Quick update on the black 3DS. It isn't working anymore. I tried to fix it, and yes, it did indeed work at first, but after a while something burned, I suppose. It's the only reason I can think of why it isn't working anymore. It was already showing some weird limitations, like the camera being pink. I don't think that's a problem with the camera. I think it's a problem with the system. So we've got a stylus in this 3DS now, black 3DS. It doesn't have a motherboard in it, as for now. It's empty. With that out of the way, we're jumping back into this 3DS. Yeah, I'm gonna be fixing this. We have every part of it. We have LED and black piece. We have the new bottom piece, and we have the hinge. So I'm gonna take this apart. I'm gonna fix it. Just gonna do a hyperlapse of it because yeah, it's not necessary to film that in slow motion or. Okay, it's done. The hinge in it isn't perfect for some reason, but other than that, it's perfectly fine again. Yeah, like I said, the hinge is it's matte. It doesn't click, it doesn't stick where it's supposed to stick. Let's track the cameras. I'm gonna keep staying, but I'm gonna put you over here. Outer cameras definitely work. Inner cameras definitely work too. Alright, well that's this one done. I'm not gonna put another hinge in it. Yeah, it's fine. I don't, it doesn't really bother me that much. Okay. Now for a bonus fix. Yeah, you didn't see that one coming. I've got a small white 3DS, original 3DS over here, and the speaker flex cable is broken in it, as well as the camera. So I'm just gonna fix that as a bonus in this video. I pulled the one screen trick on this 3DS, and you can actually still see the screen working. But yeah, let's fix that now.